So today I came to this gym, 24 Hour Fitness, just so that I could see what my stick curl max is. I've been wanting to do it for a while, and today is the day. They have some curl bars that are, the guy said 35 pounds. They're right over here. And so I'm gonna warm up and see what my max stick curl is. So right now I'm just warming up, and there is 35, 45, 55, 65 pounds. It feels pretty good. And then I'm gonna go over to a wall and start actually strip curling. That is 25 on each side, so 50 plus 35 is 85 pounds. 85 pounds. 85 pounds. Starting on 85 pounds, strip curl. Well, I'm now doing 105 pounds. Let's see what I can do. £105, 115. $135, here we go. That wasn't it. I'm gonna have to drop her down. Going for 125. $125 is good. Trying 135 once more. I think that was it, but it was hard. I think that's about it. Really quick on the strict curl that I just did last night. I warmed up and I think I started with just the bar, worked my way up to like 85 pounds, and then I moved over to the wall. And I jumped, on my last 3 sets, I jumped from 115 to 135, which is not a good move. And I failed at the 135, so I jumped back down to 125. I got that pretty good, and if I had just gone up 5 more pounds, I'd have gotten that really easily. But 135 was a little heavy. My back and butt were on the wall, and when I tried the 135 on the last set, I did it, but I could feel my butt wanting to leave the wall, so it wasn't super strong. So there's the benchmark, and maybe I'll be able to work my way up to like 145 or 150 in the near future.